Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2023 Aprilia RS660. The Aprilia RS660 has been warmly received all over the world, and the manufacturer even claims that this model has become the best-selling sport bike in Europe. In honor of this success, the company Aprilia released an even sportier model based on the popular platform, the RS660 Extrema. She received the name in honor of the Aprilia 125 Extrema, the famous sports octagon, nimble and vicious, produced from 1992 to 1994. Aprilia RS660 Extreme 2023. An important feature of the new Aprilia RS660 Extrema is the SC Project full exhaust system, which now exits from the right side of the bike, rather than from the bottom of the standard RS660. A black anodized aluminum exhaust bracket is installed in place of the standard passenger pegs, reducing the bike's weight. An additional weight reduction was provided by the front fender and crankcase made of carbon. Instead of a passenger seat, not very comfortable on the base model, the bike has a tail fairing. Thanks to all this, the new RS660 Extrema, according to Aprilia, weighs only 166 kilograms. In addition to the standard electronics of the base RS660, including traction control, tilting ABS, engine braking control, ECU map shifting and wheelie control, all adjustable, the Extrema was able to use a quick shifter in both normal and track gearing. This means that the box is configured completely autonomously, without the need to replace any spare parts. The new special white and red livery has a distinctly sporty character and makes the special version recognizable at first sight.